Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Bio class. We are going to cover the last topic of the chapter, Fundamental Unit of Life, and this is about the cell division. Have you ever thought how new cells are coming in our body when the older cells gets damaged or worn out or they stop working? And moreover, you know that during sexual reproduction, when a male and female gamete fuse together to form zygote, then this zygote is just a single cellular structure, and the life of every individual, every organism starts with this zygote, and how this single cellular small zygote develops into a big individual. So this all takes place because of the cell division. So let us discuss this topic. So cell division is a process in which a parent cell divides into two or more number of cells, and in this way new cells arise from the previously existing cells. And cell division helps to multiply the number of cells. बॉडी में हमारे सेल्स जो मल्टीप्लाई होती है नंबर में बढ़ती रहती हैं पर डे, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर ग्रोइंग. तो दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ सेल डिवीजन. And it also helps to bring about growth and development, to replace old and worn out cells, because whenever a cell stops working or some cells got damaged, at that time these cell division help to replace those damaged cells with the new ones. And a very important task to form gametes in the organisms. Male and female gametes are also formed by the cell divisions. Cell division is of two types. First one is mitosis. Mitosis is a kind of vegetative division that takes place in normal body cells. Normal body cells are also called somatic cells, and it is a kind of division in which a parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells. And these identical cells always have same number of chromosomes to the parent cell, and these kind of cells are also called diploid cells, which have similar number of chromosomes. And this kind of cell division helps to multiply the number of cells in an organism and to bring about growth and development. एक सेल से मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स में मिलियन सेल्स जो बनती हैं, they are all because of normal cell division called mitosis. And it also helps to replace old, dead and damaged cells. So let us see animation how it takes place. This is a normal cell where you can see in the nucleus at center certain thread-like structures are present in the form of irregular network because they are not properly arranged at this time. And two dotted structures you can also see above this nucleus, which are actually centrosome that help to prepare a fibrous spindle during the cell division. Let us see how it takes place. So as soon as the cell starts dividing, first of all the chromatin material gets arranged into thread-like structures called chromosomes, and here the DNA gets replicated to form two strands, and these centrosomes form this kind of spindle where these chromosomes get arranged, and here they are getting you can say divided. Equal strands of DNA get transferred to the two separate halves, and these in this way you can say the nucleus is first divided into two separate nucleus, and again those chromosomes arranged in the form of network-like structure. Then the cytoplasm divides to form two separate daughter cells, and after that all organelles starts developing in the daughter cells. So in this way two identical means they have similar number of chromosomes and each and every characteristics are same. So this kind of division in which two similar daughter cells are formed having same number of chromosomes is called mitosis. Next, second type of cell division, which is called meiosis, is taking place in the cells which are responsible for reproduction, and mainly the sexual reproduction. It is a type of division in which a mature cell divides into four daughter cells, and these daughter cells have exactly half the number of chromosomes, and these kind of cells which have half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell are called haploid cells. It mainly occurs in reproductive cells, hence it is also called reproductive division, and it helps to form male and female gametes in organisms. You know that male gametes in human beings are called sperms and female gametes are ovum, that is egg. And these both gametes are formed by meiosis. And male and female gametes further combine during fertilization to form zygote to give new individual. And you know that our life of every multicellular organism starts from the single cellular zygote, which is a major you can say step of sexual reproduction, in which these two gametes nuclei combine together, and now the cell acquires the same number of chromosomes. So this is how this meiosis helpful to maintain the number of chromosomes equal in a particular individual, generation to generation. So let us see how it takes place. The same process starts, that nuclear material, chromatin material gets arranged in the form of chromosomes. DNA replication takes place. Centrosomes help to prepare this spindle, and later on nucleus divides into two parts, and this is the first division in which the two cells are formed, but here the number of chromosomes are same. But now the second division takes place in which these DNA strands get separated, and now you can see four cells are formed in which the number of chromosomes are exactly half as the parent cell. So this is how these cells are now called haploid cells, in which number of chromosomes are half of the number of the chromosomes present in parent cell. And this kind of reproduction helps in forming male and female gametes. Let us now differentiate both of these divisions. As in mitosis, you can say two similar identical cells are formed, whereas in meiosis, four different cells are formed. Means they have certain different characteristics from the parents, and that is why you always observe that there are certain different characteristics present in children. Not all similar characteristics are there. And you can also count the number of chromosomes as well in this slide. In human beings, the number of chromosomes are 46 present in parent cell. So in mitosis, it remains same, whereas in meiosis, it becomes 23. So this is diagrammatically you can differentiate. In mitosis, you can see DNA, after DNA replication, when the cell divides, it gets equal number of chromosomes. That is, if it is 46, then you will also get 46 after mitosis, whereas in meiosis, division in two steps take place to form daughter cells having exactly half the number of chromosomes. Now list out these differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in all normal cells throughout life, whereas meiosis occurs in reproductive cells at specific time. Mitosis results in two identical cell formation by a single division, whereas meiosis results in formation of four non-identical cells by two consecutive divisions. In mitosis, each cell has same number of chromosomes, whereas in meiosis, each cell has half the number of chromosomes. Mitosis helps in general growth and development and replacing old and damaged cells, whereas meiosis helps in reproduction. Mitosis is also a very common method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, and other unicellular organisms, rather prokaryotic cells also. They all get reproduced by the method of binary fission, and binary fission is exactly similar to this mitosis process in which a parent cell divides into two identical cells. Whereas meiosis is a common method of sexual reproduction in higher organisms, where two gametes fuse together to form a new individual. So I think all these things are clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.